Hey, hi. First of all, very warm good afternoon to all of you. I'm Dheeraj Dabi from Kotari International Schools, working as a AI and robotics teacher over here, and I'm back with the another interesting tutorial on the PictoBlocks, where we have been studying such an amazing thing with the help of the STEMpedia. So today we are going to study how we can have the image classification, which is a part of the machine learning with the help of the PictoBlocks. So as you can see, there is a code already, but we are not going to go through this code. I'm going to explain you the process of doing the image classification with the PictoBlocks, and it's one of the amazing stuff you can have it over here. It will help you out to understand how does machine learning algorithm works. We have a different machine learning model over there, but we'll try to go with the very simple model where we are going to classify the image. I will take you through how exactly it goes and how we can do it. So you need to open the PictoBlocks and you need to go to the Python environment as you have been doing it before. So here very first you need to go to the file, and once you goes to the file, uh, once you click on the file, here something you will find at the end. It's a ML environment. So as I said you before, we are going to learn how we can have an image classification. And image classification is part of the machine learning. So we are going to open this into the ML environment. So once you click on it, you will be taken all together here. As you can see, I have already created the project named by the image classifier, and here you can see the status, the model trained successfully. So I will take you through exactly what is the training and testing over here. So very first I need to give a name over here. So I'm just going to give a name, create new project. So here I will have ML lung classifier, lung image classifier using lung image classifier. Will have a simple name so we can understand what exactly it is happening. You can have the description over there also, but I'm just going to skip it for this project. So here, as you can see, here we have a different project type. So whether I want to go for the image classifier, object detection, which we have already done it before, and the pose classifier, hand pose classifier. We can have audio classifier also, like with the help of the machine learning algorithm, we can classify the audio also into the different category. Then we have a numbers and the text classifier. But as of now, to keep it simple, we'll go with the image classifier because I have a data set required for the image classification. So I'm going to click on this and I'm going to click on create project. So it will give you the message as it has been before for the other project also. It is like uploading the model over there. So now this is what I have ML lung image classifier, and now it's asking you to make it two classes. Now, as you know, for the image classification, we need to have at least two classes where we can classify the image into the different category. So for today's project, I'm going to have the images with the healthy lung, and the other classification will be images with the non-healthy lung, so which has the lung, the cancer over the lung cancers. So I'm just going to go over here, and here I'm just going to write it down C, which is one class. C stand for the cancer images that we are going to upload over there, and here I'm going to have NC, capital NC. This is for the non-cancer images. So here you have a different options. Either you can choose it from the webcam, or you can go with the upload option where you can upload it from the what are the resources you have. But as of now, we'll go with the uploading, where we are going to take the images from the system. I have already stored the images over here. So I will take you through that database first. So this is what we have: lung cancer data set and healthy lung. So the first class was C. So the images with the lung cancer. So this is a lung cancer data set which I have downloaded from the Google, and here you can open. Now here you can see there are almost 26 images, right? So I'm just going to select Control A, and I'm going to take all those images, and it will take you through the uploading option. So you can see this C is a lung. So these images has the lung cancer inside, right? And those are the 36 images. So same thing will go with the non-cancer images, like so. I sorry, I did it wrong. So I need to upload the images. So I will go with the uploading option and let me. So we'll have NC1. We'll have NC1 over here. We'll go with the upload, and this is how I'm going to take the images now. Now this time I need to go with the images which don't have a cancer inside. That is the healthy lung. So I just need to see how many images. We have a 20 images. So I'm just going to take Control A and I'm going to select all the images. So within very less time it will get uploaded. So this is what I have C and NC1. So I this should not make any problem. I hope so, and then we'll proceed further. So this is what we have. We have done with the uploading, and now here we'll go with the train model. Now this is very important steps into the machine learning algorithm. So whatever the images you have taken, you are training your machine learning algorithm for like let it understand what is the images with the C classification. C means cancer, and what are the images with the non-cancers, right? So this is what we have defined over here. So these are the images which don't have any lung cancers, and the first category, first class is the images which has a cancer. So this will get set into the machine learning model. We are training the system, so it will help us. It will help the system understand, the model understand which are the images with the lung cancer and which are the images without the lung cancers. So we'll press on the train model. Now here you can see based on the number of images, you will have the this graph going for the accuracy versus exposures. Now as it goes through the thing, I would like to explain you a few more details about the how does ML algorithm works. So to have a better accuracy, it is always good idea to have a more and more images, because that is what happens with the human being also. Whenever we goes through any thing, we might go wrong. So how does it we learn again? So we go with the more data, like we go and try to see the other things also, right? So that is how it goes with the machine learning algorithm also. So the more number of images are there, it will be much more easier for the system to understand how to classify the images when it gets such kind of images in the future. So basically what is doing, it is just going to see the images, and those data will get saved in the machine learning algorithm. And whenever you are providing any images for the testing, it is going to test that images with the features of the images which has been already saved inside the model. So this is what we call as a classification. So this might call, we can classify this into the uh, supervised learning also, where we label the data like C for the cancer images and C for the non-cancer images. So we'll try to understand much more thing in future. This is what the classification we have now. Now you can see the graph is going this way. So this is the first value, then we have a second, third, fourth, fifth. So this will complete the training process. You need not to worry about this graph as of now much, because anyhow we are going to test it with the help of the same images. Like we are going to test uh, the this efficiency of this ML model by taking the images from this data sets only. So it is going to give you the right answer. So let's see how it goes, and we'll wait for a few more time. So as you can see, the accuracy of this model is almost zero point 0.6 over here. So we'll see how it goes. As I said you before, it depends on the images which you are taking for the training purpose. So once it is done, you will have the option over here to test the images, and then we are going to take the images from the given data set only. So the we almost done. It's asking us please wait while the project is being saved. So this is done. Training is completed. So now test image. As I said you before, now in a testing part, we need to take the images for testing also. So I'm just going to take it from the healthy lung, and I'm going to select the very first image, so we can see how it goes, whether it's uh, cancel or non-cancel. So let me see how it happening. So I will ask show result. So let's wait. I will do it one more time. So let me see which image I have taken. So maybe I will try to go with this. Now this is a healthy lung. So there should not be any cancer. So we'll go with the image number 6. And now here you can see non-cancer it's 73%, cancer is 27%. So this is showing like this image most probably 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%, 80%. So this is what you can have the other images also. And after this, once you're done with this, you can export the model here, like w- what I showed you before. That is what the export model. So with the help of the export model, you can have the code, this Python code on the PictoBlocks screen, like with the Python environment. So you can do the same thing with the camera also. Like you can show it to the camera. So let me show you. For this, I just need to click on okay, we'll go with the run, and I'm just going to have this image over here. So let me show you the images. So here we'll have a camera window which will get open for us. I kept my uh, image ready for the here you can see I'm just going to take it further. Now this is also like it's showing image classification output at C. So I took it from the other classification, like other like this is most probably the now you can see like it got closed. So let me go again. Now it's showing C and NC1 both because that depends upon how the camera quality is, how we are holding the like it's the camera should be able to capture it in a very right manner. So I'm just trying to keep it uh, in much more accurate way. So let me the final result is NC1 I think. Let me check this from where I have taken this. So this is the very second image. So this don't have the any cancer because it is from uh, the very first classification, like healthy lungs. So this is what we have. I hope you understood how exactly it's happening. And then this is what we have code. I need to stop this execution, otherwise this window is not going to go anywhere. So I will stop this. So the camera window will stop. And this is what we have. So if you just want to see the ML environment, so this is what we have over here. So this was the ML lung image classifier which we just studied now. We'll try to have more video on the machine learning because this is a huge topic. This cannot be covered into the in a single tutorial. So I would like to have more video on it. For the time, we'll take a leave now and we'll try to meet you very soon for the next tutorial. Bye.